'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love.
Hi guys, we're here inside our car. Yeah, we're waiting at the park. No, at the parking area inside the mall of Trinoma. Kasama ko si Kuya and si Sean. Where's Sean? Hi Sean.
There's no ads.
Yeah, because we're waiting for the mall to open. Yeah, it's very convenient to go to mall at this hour because the parking space is so empty like that. See? And the mall will open in a while. It's about 30 minutes pa. So, ayun guys, very empty ang parking area nila. Ayan. There you go. May lights na guys. Ayan. May tao na dun. Ayan guys, may lights na ang parking. Hi guys. Ayan guys, medyo maliwanag na. May ilaw na dun sa labas. And 5 minutes more. 5 minutes more na lang. Hi Sean. 5 minutes more na lang guys at pwede na kaming pumasok sa mall. Ayan. Ang dami nang dumadating ngayon dito. Hi Sean. Yan, sama ko si Kuya.
Sarado pa. No, nakaharang pa dun.
Hi guys, nandito kami guys sa Trinoma. At eto, konti pa lang ang tao. So, mas maganda mamili pag ganitong oras guys. Ayan, meron na namang bazaar ngayon dito sa gitna ng Trinoma. So, eto guys, papuntahan natin ngayon dun sa baba. Okay guys, let's go! Hi, Sean! Ang face mask mo. Ayan guys, pa-picture-picture muna kami ni Sean dito at 18 days na lang at Christmas na. Ayan guys, nandito kami sa Kids Grace Warehouse. sale. Ayun guys, pasok kami dito guys. Sige na, yun. Parang ano, kill basket. Sige na.
Basket?
Ayun o. Baka may mapili tayo. To. Kasi yan guys, oh, naka-less 20% sila. Ano ba bang boy? Yung mga car, ayun dun, oh. Tapos meron itong mga cars, guys. Yan, 400 na lang ito. Yan, actually guys, pag ito toys. Ano siya? Dito tayo siya, no? So may ano. Gusto mo ng car? Ito naman mga 20%. Ito. Snout and spout. Ano yan siya dyan? Anong gagawin dyan? Doon tayo. Ay, girls toy pala. Saan pang boys?
Dito. Tubong dito. Boys, ano? Wala ba boys?
Ah, boys. Car lang to eh. Wala bang iba? Okay na. You choose na. What you want. Sige na. Ibaba mo na yung basket. Wala naman ang laman. Bigit kuya.
Okay na siya.
You choose mo na. Yung mga Thomas and Friends, guys. Mga what's that? What's that? Uy, ang mahal nito, guys. 2,500 siya, no? Ang mahal. Yeah, it's going to launch anytime soon. This is the Di ba gusto mo na magiging ano, astronauts? You want this one? How about Superman? No? Yun o, mga dinosaur. Oh. Kitang ko ano. Oh, dinosaur egg. You want to take here one of the dinosaur eggs? How much is that?
249.
Nakaless na yan or hindi pa?
250 pesos.
Is this going to hatch or you're going to put what?
Water.
Ah, water. Do you want one of the egg?
This is like, what will happen if I put water in it?
It will hatch.
It will hatch.
And they're about to come out.
You want to take care of one of them? Huh? You want to take care? You want to try?
What will come out?
Huh?
What will come out? A
Dinosaur.
dinosaur? A living dinosaur?
Ano to? Ano? Dinosaur egg puzzle. You want 12 pieces? Ano 12 pieces?
No, isang 12 pieces, isang box.
Isa lang naman siguro design yan siya. You have to get one lang. Ha?
Iba-iba.
Ano, paano mo laman?
Pag na-hatch din ito.
Ano, okay na yan? You want that? Ha? May show me? Ayun guys, ito yung mga dino. Ito yung napili ni Sean guys. Oh, okay. But
Can I get more?
one only. How much is that?
more,
This two?
more toys.
More toys? Not the egg? Okay, let's find something else. Okay, put it there na. Okay guys, nakabili na siya guys ng dinosaur egg. Anyway, you have money from Ninang Marlene and Mami Connie, di ba? Okay, you choose pa.
No.
Kilakil?
800 yung original.
Tapos 20%. You want dinosaur? This one? Huh? Shannon, this is very nice, huh?
I'm addicted to food.
What?
I'm addicted to food in this market.
Kitchen? What is that? The kitchen? Sports car?
Kitchen.
Pang boy ito, di ba?
No,
How much?
999
Huh?
1,000 yung original.
Ano, you want that? You want this? Christmas gift ko para sa'yo. Gusto mo ba yan?
You wrap it up in a present.
Ha?
If it reaches Christmas, December.
Because remember, you have money from Mami Connie and Mami Marlene. So I can buy you a gift if you want
I
this.
can only play with this if it reaches December 15. December 7.
Or do you really want this? The kitchen sports car? This is his kitchen and then you can make it a car. Oh, how lovely. Do you want it? Huh? Do you want this? You decide now if you want this.
First, we lang inspect it.
Okay, you check what the features do you like there.
What's this?
Here, you can make like this. And then you can make a kitchen.
Okay, I'll buy this.
Huh? How much is this?
1,000 yung original price pero discounted ng 20%. Wala pa pa.
Isa yung 1,000.
999.
Okay. Okay, wait. So the price is 999. And then it will be less than 1,000 kasi meron siyang 20%. So this is your gift na from Ninang. Ha? Ayusin mo muna yung ano mo, face mask. Okay, you put it there na. Okay, and that is enough, okay? Kunin mo muna si egg.
Egg boy.
And then put this in. Put this in and then we're gonna pay na. Okay? What are you going to say to Mami muna, be? Mami Connie and Mami Marlene?
Thank you po.
Oh, thank you po. Okay, let's go. Sige na, you go there. Are you happy now? Chan! Ayun guys, magbabayad lang kami guys dito guys. Ayan. Ang Christmas mo, hindi mo naayos.
Monkey.
Okay. Thank you.
Wala na siya.
Okay na siya. Hindi ba open yung ano?
This Faber-Castell
Ha?
1761
48
48 watercolors. So we have the basic stuff like yellow,
Okay, do you want that? You like it?
green, blue. But there are
Can you
other
check?
stuff like
Can you check how much is it?
gray, like gray.
Can you check
Oh,
how
it also
much?
comes with a sharpener.
Oh, how much?
Okay, let's see how much it is.
You ask ko yung help. And I'm gonna get the Mongol. Meron silang design ngayon guys, so, sa Mongol. Sean mo uses the Mongol number 2. And merong design. So, okay, kukuha tayo nito guys. And also, kuha tayo ng mga regular na.
992. It is 992 pesos.
Ha?
992.
Ay, we don't need that, anak. How much is this? Yan, kasi close pa yung landmark guys. Akit na kami dito sa taas. So, may time zone. Tara, mag-time zone muna tayo. Huwag yan doon, no? Sa dulo. Wait lang.
Okay guys, let's give it a try. 3, 2, 1, go! Hello guys, I'm just doing this gumball. And today, we're going to play some games while I do this gumball.
Time zone. Happy place. Okay, go. You want to try? Here. Okay, yung dalawa ni Kuya. You get points? Okay. Okay, hanap ka pa. Oh, hanap ka. No, done. Naka na ba? Ah, wait lang. Wow. Wow, galing ah. Ah, kuya. Ay, pinagwag. Check, go. Oo. Ilan? 142 tickets added. Okay, let's go! Punta na tayo sa ayan guys, galing na kami sa time zone at pupunta na kami ngayon sa landmark. Shopping time ni Shan. Okay?
And I'm still chewing this gumball.
Yeah. Okay, cover mo na yung nose mo. Ano, itapo mo na?
This has no flavor.
Yan guys, tinapon na niya yung gumball niya. Okay guys, punta na tayo guys sa landmark ngayon. Open na kasi 11 o'clock na. Oh, after this one. Two more na lang. Damit mo, tsaka kay kuya. Hi, Shan! Hi, Shan! Are you happy na? Kaupo na tayo. Pagod na kasi si Shan. Kaya naglalaro na siya. And then, I order bangus. Gusto ko to. Tsaka kay Shan, spaghetti. And I order din ako ng iced tea, meron.
Yes.
And also the tortang longganisa. Ayan.
Guys,
Andito kami guys sa bench, cafe. Ayan.
is it just me or is burger? That's in like the chicken dance. That's in the chicken dance.
Thank you. Hi! Hello everyone! We're gonna have lunch.
Drink it. Drink it. So, drink it, Mama. Ah, joke lang. Oh.
Love you. Hi. Say hello. Hello everyone. Kain kami ng lunch. Kain kami ng lunch guys.
Wild.
Wait lang, San. Okay, you can say spaghetti. Yes, spaghetti. Okay, wait lang ha. This is your spaghetti. Alam mo, girl, crush na crush ko talaga yung mga plato nila dito. Gusto ko yung mga plato nila. And then, ito yung tortang, yung ganisa. And this is my food. Anong sabi mo, Shan? Anong gusto mo, Shan?
Can I have some?
Ang pagkain ko is bangos lang tayo ngayon. Saan? Kapag saan?
Thank you for watching.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? Be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think and I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright.